Good evening, all. This is Tom here, and these are the two things I just printed on my 3D printer. I'm going to turn the fan off here. And this is a building, and the roof's on there on the top, and they're separate pieces. And then this is a foundation to put it on top there, and then these are all the little pieces that I made. These are downspouts, these are gutters, and then these two pieces here are fascia to go on the side of the underneath the roof. And then I got windows and two doors, and then these are the windows, the glass that goes into the windows. So I'm waiting for these to dry, and then I'm going to paint them. And then there's my water tower that printed. I got to put some decals on it, and I'm going to make it the name of the town, Ashpool. And I got decals, and they're for the road numbers to put on these cars too. So that's the next project after I get this done. And that's it. So that was it for today. Just wanted to show you guys what I printed. And I got I just designed a townhouse and a bunch of parts for that too, so I'm gonna start printing that next. But I'm gonna take a break from the 3D printing for a day or two, and start doing some weathering on these cars and the decals on there, and then get this painted later on tonight after all this stuff dry, these parts dry. And then I can paint it and then put it on a layout. So I'll take a picture of it on the layout once it's done. So we'll be back in a little while and show you them when they're all done painted, and then we'll put them up on the layout and we'll show you where we put them. So we'll be back later. Okay folks, I'm back here. Got it all painted and all the parts put on, and it's hard to read that decals on the water tower, but it says Ashpool. That's the name of the town. And you can see the gutter there, and then you see the downspouts, and then the doors and the windows in there. And then you turn it around. On this side you have a window, and there's a, right there is a meter, electrical meter, and then there's the fascia that I put on, and then the back has the downspouts too. There's a downspout there, downspout there, that's the gutter, and then this side just a door and a window. So it's all done, and then I'm going to put it up on the layout. I'll show you where I put it, and the same thing with that one. So I'll be back in a little while. Okay, I'm back, and I put them up on the layout, and there's the building there. And there's another building I made with my 3D printer. Got that one done. And what I got to do is put some driveways and parking lots in these for these buildings. And then if we come over here, there's the water tower. So that's in place now. And the only other thing I was working on was the turntable. I have to reset all the service tracks, and as I was doing it, some of the service tracks must have moved just a hair, because the turntable hits the rail, so I got to go around and probably file them down because they're glued in place now. So that's the next thing I got to do. I was going to put that CSX engine in the roundhouse, but it got tied up over there on one of those rails, so I got to go on the other side of the layout there and feel where they are, and then probably just file them down a little bit, and then should be okay. So that's all I'm working on now. And this here consists, the two Lehigh Valley cars. I had both of them going forward, and right there in that spot, the rear Lehigh Valley engine would derail, and I just changed it to reverse, and it goes around smooth now. So it came off the derailed there. One wheel of the trucks came off. It derailed over on that corner by that billboard sign, and then it would derail on this turnout. I don't know what it was hitting, but I reversed it, and now it runs smooth. So I'll do a video of all the trains running sometime in the future, and but I just wanted to get that stuff done, and I'm concentrating on the buildings right now and the turntable. I want to get that back in operation. So that's it for tonight, and we'll all see you in the next video, and everybody have a great evening, what's left of it, and you all take care. This is Tom, and we'll see you again.